i35equipment.com. This is the Case 580N backhoe loader. Welcome you to come out, check it out for yourself, and bring your mechanic and operator or someone wants to come if you like. It is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number 405-833-6437. This machine does have the four-wheel drive and the Extendahoe, also known as the extendable dipper. LED alert lights around the canopy. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting this shipped to you should not be too big of an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers at Nationwide Broker and get back with you at the best hauling rate that comes back to us. If you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, please give us a call about our consignment sales service or learn more on our website. Consignment sales are our specialty here. We have people all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. Machine has good power. Hydraulic outriggers. It does have those pilot controls. The pilot controls have switchable control patterns, so no matter who's operating it, they just switch with the flick of a switch. They can change the pattern, so no matter who's operating it, they'll be comfortable and ready to go at it. Extendable dipper is super nice, not only if you need to dig a little deeper, but also you can access spots where you may have to, without it, would have to move the entire machine to access. So it saves you some time and makes it more efficient. It is a 24-inch bucket with 5 teeth on the backhoe. The machine is a made in America machine. And it has that Case factory suspension seat on it. He's gonna run through the operations and then he'll come back and park it. And then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. It does have the reversal arm. Machine. Like I said though, always welcome you and your mechanic to come look it over, or hire some local ones to come to you once you know what you're looking at and what you're getting into. We try to make extra long videos here though, because a lot of folks don't get the opportunity to come look at machines before they buy them. I want you to know what you're buying before you get here. The loader bucket does have the bolt-on cutting edge. Hydraulic really looks good. Looks to be a dry machine. I'm not noticing any leaks or seeps anywhere. It's a little tricky one-handed holding the camera, but I want to pop this hood and show you the motor running. It has had a recent service. love how quiet it is. You can actually talk to people you're working around without having to scream. I own a lot of machines. Alright, there's that Case factory suspension seat. 3:16 hours currently. Here's your backhoe control. This is actually going to turn your hydraulics on and off for back here, and then this is going to be your control pattern switcher. Over on this side, this is going to control your hydraulic outriggers, throttle for while you're digging. This is going to be your extendable dipper controls. As always, appreciate you taking time to watch this video. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy equipment online. Very good, very good. i35equipment.com. Hope you have a wonderful day.